Rich Dad Poor Dad is a best-selling personal finance book written by Robert Kiyosaki. It contrasts the financial philosophies of two father figures, one who follows traditional money management principles, Poor Dad, and the other who focuses on financial education and investing, Rich Dad. Through their contrasting perspectives, Kiyosaki imparts valuable lessons on building wealth and achieving financial independence. Here's 10 lessons from Robert Kiyosaki's acclaimed financial education book, Rich Dad Poor Dad. 1. Wealthy people don't work for money. The concept here is that wealthy people focus on building assets that generate passive income, rather than relying solely on income from work, like salary or any kind of bonus. In the book, young Robert Kiyosaki learns this from his wealthy father. The latter pays him a small sum to do household chores, then tells him to set up a business collecting and selling old coins, thus creating a stream of passive income. 2. Assets and liabilities. To be financially successful, you need to know the difference between assets and expenses. Assets give you money, while expenses take it away. Example: a house can be both a good thing and a bad thing. If you buy a house, rent it out and make money, that's a good thing. If you buy a house that's expensive to maintain and doesn't make money, it's a risk. Before we continue, welcome to Short Version, where we draw out the key concepts from each book published on the channel, in order to approach life and its many aspects from a greater perspective. Please take the time to thumbs up to support the channel and to subscribe for more content. Have a great listening. 3. It's important to learn about money. The book points out that school education doesn't always teach important money skills, and that self-education is the best way to get ahead financially. In the book, the author explains that he not only learned about money and investments at school, but also by spending time with his wealthy father and discussing business and financial ideas with him. 4. Mind your own business. Kiyosaki tells his readers that they should focus on starting their own business or investing rather than getting a job. In the book, the main character creates his first business at a young age by buying chocolate bars and selling them to his classmates. He earns money and learns to become an entrepreneur. 5. Don't work for money, work to learn. The idea here is that you shouldn't work just to get paid. Instead, you should seek to acquire skills and information that will help you improve your financial situation. In the book, Kiyosaki learns how to invest, use business techniques and make financial decisions by working for free in his wealthy father's business. 6. Fear and desire are like two sides of the same coin. The book explains how fear and desire influence people's financial choices, and how important it is to understand and control these feelings to achieve financial success. Some people don't invest because they're afraid of losing money, while others get into trouble because they make hasty choices in a bid to get rich quick. 7. Risk-taking can help. Building wealth and becoming financially independent requires a willingness to take calculated risks. In the book, the author tells how he and his friend Mike decided to take a risk and start their own portfolio sales business, which led them to ultimate success. 8. The importance of paying yourself first. This idea emphasizes the importance of getting into the habit of saving and investing a portion of your income before paying your bills or debts. In the book, Robert's wealthy father tells him that he should save and invest some of the money he receives before using the rest to pay his expenses. This habit allows him to grow richer over time. 9. Think big and take charge. To develop a wealthy mindset, you have to go beyond your limits and take your financial future into your own hands. Robert's wealthy father tells him to think outside the box and stop thinking that a high-paying job is the only way to get ahead financially. Instead, he shows him how to create his own luck by taking charge of his finances through education and business. 10. Work with experts and build a team. If you want to succeed financially, you need to work with experts in different fields and build a strong team to help you. In his book, Robert explains how important it is to work with professionals such as lawyers, accountants, real estate agents and others who can give you good advice and who are experts in their field. This helps people make better money decisions and get out of difficult situations. Don't hesitate to leave a comment about a book you'd like to see published. You can also contribute to the chain's growth by making a donation, and while you're waiting for the next audio, don't forget. Knowledge is nothing without understanding, which is nothing without application. Look forward to seeing you soon on the channel, short version.
Perfect.